Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Gmail with Google Tasks. And right now you might be wondering what is the purpose or the main purpose of this video. So right now you're gonna have a lot of emails, right? As you can see right here, I actually have a really lot of emails. And usually I utilize labels to successfully organize my email, especially the important ones, as you can see right here. I have archive, CC, CC later, news, and so much more. But what if this is just for organization purposes? There is no context on what to do here. For example, for archive, these are just the archive emails I have. I'm not quite sure what to do with them or what basically is the content. Now this is the video, or I'm going to teach you how to utilize this video regarding task. So, since you're looking for content on your emails, use task right here. All of us right here, if you're using Google Chrome, just open your side panel because by default it's gonna be turned off. Should look like here and then look for task. And right now, as you can see, there is a bunch of tasks going on. And right here I have my task, family, work, new list, or basically I'm gonna create a new list here. I'm gonna go for email. Take note, I have created a brand new list under email. And with this one, just leave it as it is as of now. I'm going to look for a sample email now on my Gmail account to use as a sample. Now I'm going to go with this one, jot form, just for discussion purposes. Let's just say this is a very important email. And with this one, I can just simply add this one to task. Right here, add to task. If it's not showing on the top section right here, please do so and check it on the three dots and simply click on add to task. And you have successfully added it with the name of the email or the subject. Now for this one, you can rename this. For example, I can now write in here, review this offer. Given that, let's just say, just for sample purposes, this is a very important offer. And I'm going to leave it as it is. And with that, I have this one. Now, I can successfully archive this. Well, let me just archive this one right here. As you can see right here, I have label as snooze. I can mute, or basically I can archive like so. Or even, guys, I can delete this email right here. As you can see, there is a lot of options going on here, but for this video I'm gonna click on archive. Now it's gonna be in the archive section, which is basically my label. Now for example, I can just check my task right here. Simply click on this one and I can open this one with no problem. And now I can just create a new task, for example. And let's say for this one, I'm gonna name this deadline. And then since this is a deadline, there is a time management or a time range involved. For example, I can adjust the date and time. So right now it's gonna be July 15. Let's just say this is deadline for 17. I can set a time, for example, 9 AM. Click OK, so I have a time involved right now. And basically, I can make this start. Easy as that. And now, if I successfully bring this back on archive, like so, conversation is archived. If I remove it, it's not going to be on my email anymore, right? But if I simply click on these options right here, on my task right there, I can now simply open up the email one more time. Take note, if I open my calendar as of here, I have it right there. It also reflects on calendar. So coming from task, notes, or even keep, and of course, even in calendar, you have it right here. Easy as that. Now once you're in Google Calendar, I know you're very familiar to check on the full version of task with this one right here. And as you can see, you don't even need to open your Google account or your Gmail account. You can just go straight here. And these are the tasks you have right now on your account. Now right now under email, you might ask me, or for example, you might say that this is just a text-based account or text-based email. But if you click on this one to be specific, like so, the review offer, there are clickable options here. Now let's go back on the Google Calendar, okay? So going back on the Google Calendar, again guys, if you have a deadline, for example, if you click on it, there is an option to view related email. It's not just text, it's just not any email right here. Because if I click on this one, it will take me back in the Google account, or basically the Gmail with the specific email we're talking about. Pretty powerful, right? Pretty organized and pretty useful. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.